Hey guys, welcome to 5th generation Aussie farm. I recorded some drone footage of the clover harvesters on Sunday and all the machinery around it. And so today they're actually in operation instead of being standstill. Okay guys, so as you can see that over there is the clover harvesters. So putting away at very slow speeds, about 2 kilometers an hour. So I recorded something on Sunday of this paddock, but these clover harvesters were not functioning at this time. So I'm going to go fly around them and thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, the clover harvesters are going to be taking a long time to clover harvest these sub clover. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all guys next time.